Hi, first grade friends. Please put your name at the top of your paper. Boys and girls, this week we are working on the long vowel silent E pattern. The pattern for long vowel silent E is one vowel, one consonant, and a silent E on the end that is not pronounced. Today the vowel that we are working with is the long I. Long I says eh. Nope, it doesn't. Silly Mrs. Nimitz. Short I says inchworm. Long I says I, ice cream. The picture on the top left is a picture of time. It's a clock showing us the time. Please finger stretch time. Time. Please fill in the missing blanks. You can see here that we have a vowel, consonant, silent E on the end. Please write the word time. Time. Our next picture is a picture of a dime. Please finger stretch. Dime. Please fill in the missing blanks. Silent E on the end. Remember that silent E makes the vowel say its long sound, which is I. Our next picture is a picture of a lime. Finger stretch. Lime. Please fill in the missing blanks. You'll notice with the word lime, we have a vowel, consonant, silent E pattern. Please show me the gesture for the long vowel silent E pattern. If you're holding up a peace sign, you got it. Please write the word lime. Our next word is the word ride. Please finger stretch. Ride. Please fill in the missing blanks. Please write ride on the line below. That silent E is not pronounced. I see the long vowel silent E pattern. The next word is tide. Tide. Please fill in the missing blanks. Please write tide on the line below. With that silent E on the end that makes that vowel say its name. Hide is the next picture. Hide. Hide. Please write hide on the line below. I see a vowel, consonant, silent E, so I know that is the long vowel silent E syllable type. The last three you're going to do on your own, but I will tell you what the picture is. The next picture is the word like. Like. Please fill in the missing blanks using that long vowel silent E pattern and write the word like on the line below. The next picture is a picture of someone going on a hike. Finger stretch. Hike. I wonder why the I is saying its name. That's right. It's because there's a silent E on the end that makes the I say I. Please write hike on the line below. The last picture is a picture of a bike. Finger stretch. B-I-K. Bike. Please write bike on the line below. All right, my friends, you did great. Go ahead and flip your paper over. And you are very familiar with spin it, spell it. Let's read the words together, and I will highlight them. You don't need to highlight them, but let's read the words together. Our first word is lime. Lime. Our next word is ride. R-I-D. Ride. Then we have the word dime. D-I-M. Dime. Hide. H-I-D. Hide. Time. T-I-M. Time. Nine. N-I-N. Nine. Then we have shine. Sh-I-N. Shine. Then we have bike. B-I-K. Bike. Our next word is hike. H-I-K. Hike. And our last word is five. F-I-V. Five. And you'll notice, boys and girls, that all of these words have the long vowel silent E syllable type. The pattern is vowel, consonant, silent E. The silent E is not pronounced. Remember that silent E makes the vowel say its long name I. Please complete spin it and spell it. Then turn your paper into the top basket and move on to Lexia. Way to go, boys and girls.